What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our luxury seat covers on an SUV. Let's get into it. And guys, remember to stick around because we are giving away free gifts at the end of this video. All right, guys, so for this install, we're going to start in the back seat, and the first thing we're going to do is pop this headrest off. All right, guys, next thing we're going to do now is we're going to take this seat cover, make sure it's fully unzipped, and all we're gonna do is slip it on down the back of the seat. All right, guys, we got this slipped down the back of the seat. Now, we're gonna take these two discs, shove them into the crease, and make sure they flip up in the back. All right, guys, coming to the back now. After we put those discs into the crease, we're gonna come here, zip this down, and now we have that full surround fit. All right, guys, moving on to the bottom piece here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unclip these two buckles. Now that we have it unbuckled, we're gonna lay it down on the bottom of the seat. Next, what we'll do is we'll take these two buckles on the back of the bottom piece and shove them through that same crease. All right, guys, now that we've shoved all of those pieces through this crease, all we're gonna do is take these buckles, put them underneath, and buckle them up with the ones we put under the crease. All right, guys, now that we got those buckled up underneath, all we have left is the headrest. Looking at the top of the front seat now, we're gonna button up all of these little snappers. And then we're gonna tuck these holes into the headrest holsters. And the final step of this front seat installation is gonna be putting this headrest on, taking the headrest cover, and simply putting it over the top of the headrest. And just like that, we've installed one of the front seats. Took me about 5 minutes. Let's get on to the next one. We just completed that front seat installation, and as you can see, guys, these are looking absolutely stunning. We have the lumbar support bar here. All throughout the center of the seat is that diamond stitch perforated material. Works with your heated and cooled seats, as well as full front, sides, and back coverage of the front two seats. And guys, right now is the absolute best time to order because remember those free gifts I was telling you about earlier? Well, every single order that goes out as of now is coming with a free matching steering wheel cover and a microfiber towel to wipe up any spills or stains that your seat covers come across. So if you're interested, now's the time to buy. Check out all of our products in the description below.